So after having understood what risk analysis is all about and the risk mitigation that you need to do for, the next component that comes into the business plan is the risk pyramid. We all know pyramids are triangular in shape. Let us understand how a pyramid is going to be responsible in a business plan. What happens in a risk pyramid is, it is the KRA for the CEO of the company, that is the key result areas which the CEO has to focus. As a CEO or as a single founder, you will not be in a position to run around on all the departments. So you will have to figure it out which are the three main components that are going to be responsible for taking this company to the next levels. So as a CEO, you will have to focus on three major components. So that the pyramid has a base, a mid structure and a pinnacle. So that is how you will have to figure it out based on your business or the idea, what is the risk pyramid factor for your business. Wherein as a CEO of a company or as a founder of a company, you will have to take call what is the first basic thing that I need to do at a lower side of the risk, what is it that comes at the mid side of the risk and what is it at the higher risk. Let us assume for an example with regard to a delivery vehicles. Now, the basic of the base of the pyramid will be you will have to create awareness, because without you creating awareness, how will the customers come to know that there exists a service like yours? Now, once you have the creating of awareness, it would be at a lower side of the risk, because you are trying to pump in funds for your marketing, advertising, trying to maximize the reach and minimize the cost, using innovative ways of reaching it out. Like your delivery boy goes to a flat for delivery, he sticks out a sticker or a badge or a magnetic badge. So that ensures there is a top of mind recall. So that is where the creation of awareness is always at the lower side of the pyramid. Now what happens at the mid size? Mid size is how are you going to time the deliveries to ensure that the deliveries are on time, to ensure the customer is not affected, because at the end of the day, the better the demand and supply chain that you are putting it across will automatically lead for the next thought process in the pyramid, that is the pinnacle, where it comes to branding and scalability. Now let us understand how all these three verticals are going to be important for a key area of a CEO. First thing is he will have to take decisions or make a strategy with regard to creating of awareness. Now once he has created awareness, it will automatically ensure that you have more amount of customers coming in, the traction starts to follow. So when that comes in is where you start building it with regard to the mid segment of the pyramid, that is ensuring a proper demand and supply. So you can start timing your deliveries. Like for example, you can put it across from morning 8 to 10, if anyone is ordering, delivery will be done at 12 o'clock. So in this way, you can start maximizing the same person to ensure that he can deliver more amount of people with the same person. Rather than having 10 people doing 10 deliveries, if you can customize it and bring it out on a proper platform, you can have 2 people who can deliver if they optimally utilize the thought process of how to reach out. Now also to be kept in mind is the customer segment which is scattered across. So you can easily draw a route plan saying, okay, this customer based on his pin code is first, he is second, he is third. So in this way, you will be optimizing your day-to-day needs. That is where the demand and supply chain comes into existence. Now, if you are taking care of your customers on a proper manner by giving them the correct service and deliveries, automatically that leads to building of a brand. We all talk a lot about brand and brand. So let us understand what a brand is. Brand is basically a thought process. For you to register it as a thought in your brain, it needs to be hit again and again, again and again. For example, if someone asks you which is your favorite phone, you might say this is the X brand that I like. Why? There would have been some reason. So that is being imbibed in your thoughts. So for you, this product means this brand. So the same way is where the customers who are using your delivery services should start thinking, boss, I need something, give a call to this brand, they will deliver it on time. That is how the branding comes in. Now what happens to the branding is, once it comes in, it will slowly start giving way to scalability. That is where you can have more number of customers coming onto the base. So the key area of a company or the key area of a CEO of a company who is into distribution, these would be the 3 components that he has to focus more on. So that is how the risk pyramid becomes critical for a CEO of a company, because it keeps him focused on what things that he has to do and how one thing is going to lead to the other thing, and that is how a pyramid is going to be built across. Thank you.